it's Chris from Duffy Floors, and we're back here in Boston following up on a job that I had put a video out a few weeks ago about some Brazilian cherry that we were installing because we had to remove it because of the water damage, and we were trying to match the old floors that were in here. We came up with a formula of aniline dye and then an espresso stain that we used on the floors. It came out just perfect. It blended in with the old floors that we have and the new floors that we have too. So this is the upper hallway here, and it flows right into the front bedroom that we installed. We only sanded and refinished the upper hallway, and we installed in here in the bedroom. So you can see the tone of the floor, we've gotten rid of most of the red tones that were in this floor by use of the aniline dye and the stain on top of that. We also used an oil-based polyurethane from the Bona company, a satin finish, which gives it a nice luster, but not too overbearing, not too shiny. Let's go downstairs and take a look at the living room and the dining room that we did down there. Now these floors had extensive water damage down here. The homeowner decided that we needed to replace the floors because they were so cupped and warped. So all of this flooring was pulled up, and then we installed new flooring, and then we sanded and finished it. So this was the new Brazilian cherry that we had, and we butted up against the dining room, which has got the old Brazilian cherry, but we decided that we were going to do a continuous sanding through the living room, dining room, and into the kitchen that's in there. So as you can see, the floors just have got a great luster to them, and you don't see a whole lot of red in them. I know a lot of people want to get rid of the red that's in Brazilian cherry, but if you look down, you can see the nice rich brown tones that you have. A few boards still reading through a little red, but it seems a lot warmer than a red look to it. So, and as you can see over here, that we blended right through into the dining room. The dining room was existing wood, and so we used the same process that we had from here with the aniline dye and then the oil-based stain, and then we put 3 coats of the oil-based polyurethane and a satin sheen on top. So you can see how nice and consistent this looks right through all of the transitions that we did here from room to room. Look, if you've got some Brazilian cherry floors and they're too red for you and you want to darken them up, give us a call. We've got a process that works and can give you a look like this. This is Chris from Duffy Floors. Give us a call at 781-395-3418 or look us up on the web. We're at duffyfloors.com.